The subject of this video is the OneDrive storage limit for the tenant. Go to Office 365 settings, go to OneDrive storage limit, and you can set the storage limit. Anything between 1 and 2 gigabytes is fine. Note that as the user accumulates more content, synchronizes with more document libraries, the synchronization of the content with their laptop becomes more problematic. Essentially, it's more prone to error messages, the red dot with the X in it. So consider that long term and apply the setting as you see fit. If you're interested in OneDrive synchronization problems, please look up my video and I explain the sort of problems you can run into. Hope you enjoy. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.